Have you ever wondered why some people seem to grow their money faster once they hit a certain amount? Well, today I'll tell you why building wealth gets easier after you reach $100,000. It's like unlocking a new level in a video game where things suddenly become simpler and faster. We'll look at real reasons and smart strategies that change everything. So, let's get started and see how your money journey can speed up. First, when you have less than $100,000, every dollar matters a lot, and you tend to focus on saving small amounts. But after you reach that mark, your money starts working for you in a bigger way. You can invest in assets that grow faster, like stocks, real estate, or even a business. This bigger pool of money can generate income on its own, making growth easier. It's not just about working harder, but making your money work smarter. You might ask, but how exactly does the money start working for me? The answer is compounding. Compounding means your money earns more money, and then that new money also earns. This cycle keeps going and growing, especially when you invest wisely. Once you have $100,000, compounding starts to make a big difference in your wealth journey. It's like planting a seed that grows into a tree producing fruits every year. Another reason is access to better financial tools and advice. When you have more money, banks and advisors offer you better interest rates, investment opportunities, and even loans. These benefits can help your money grow faster and safer. For example, getting a low-interest loan to invest in real estate is much easier if you have good credit and savings. So, crossing $100,000 opens doors that were hard to access before. Also, with $100,000 saved, you have a financial safety net that lets you take smarter risks. Risk is necessary to grow wealth, but it's scary without a cushion. When you know you can cover emergencies, you can invest in bigger opportunities without panic. This confidence helps you make better decisions, like starting a side business or buying rental property. Would you take more risks if you felt financially safe? When your wealth passes $100,000, you also get better networking opportunities. You meet people with similar financial goals, successful investors, and mentors. These connections can introduce you to deals and ideas you wouldn't find alone. Imagine attending exclusive events or online groups where everyone talks about making smart money moves. Have you ever tried networking for your money growth? Besides all these, after $100,000, you can diversify your investments. Instead of putting all your money in one place, you spread it across stocks, bonds, real estate, and maybe cryptocurrencies. This reduces risk and helps balance your returns. Diversification is like not putting all your eggs in one basket, which smart investors always do. This strategy makes your wealth grow more steadily and safely over time. Another important point is mindset. Once you hit $100,000, your thinking about money changes. You start seeing money as a tool, not just cash to spend. This mindset helps you focus on long-term goals rather than quick wins. It's easier to stay patient and consistent, which is the key to real wealth. Have you noticed how your money mindset changed as you earned more? As your wealth grows, you also get better at managing taxes. Tax planning can save you thousands of dollars every year, which adds up over time. With more than $100,000, you can use strategies like retirement accounts, tax loss harvesting, or charitable donations. These tools reduce your tax burden legally and increase your net returns. Managing taxes well is one secret many millionaires use to keep growing their money faster. Another big change after $100,000 is the ability to automate your money. You can set up automatic investments, bill payments, and savings transfers. Automation helps you avoid mistakes like late fees or spending too much. It also keeps your growth steady without you having to think every day. Imagine your money growing on autopilot while you focus on other things you enjoy. Once you have $100,000, you can also negotiate better deals. Whether it's on your mortgage, insurance, or investment fees, having more money and good credit gives you bargaining power. This can save you thousands every year, adding to your wealth. Small savings here and there make a big difference in the long run. Are you using your money to negotiate better deals yet? Another advantage is that after $100,000, you can hire professionals to help. Financial advisors, accountants, or lawyers can guide you through complex decisions. This support reduces mistakes and helps you plan better. Many people who stay under $100,000 try to do everything alone and miss out on expert advice. Investing in good help can multiply your wealth faster than trying to do it all yourself. Having $100,000 also gives you the chance to invest in yourself. You can afford courses, books, or coaching that improve your skills. Better skills often lead to better jobs or business ideas, which grow your income. This cycle of learning and earning is easier when you have money to invest in your growth. So, think of $100,000 not just as money, but as a resource for your future success. Wealth over $100,000 also gives you peace of mind. Knowing you have a good buffer reduces stress about unexpected expenses. This mental calm lets you focus on big goals instead of daily money worries. You start to enjoy life more while still building your fortune. Isn't peace of mind worth working towards? Finally, reaching $100,000 feels like a big personal achievement. It proves that you have the discipline and skills to build real wealth. This confidence motivates you to aim higher and set bigger goals. Many people never reach this milestone because they give up too soon. But once you cross it, the path forward feels clearer and more exciting. Once you pass $100,000, you also get more freedom to choose your lifestyle. You don't have to stress over every expense or paycheck. This freedom means you can spend on things that truly matter to you, like travel, hobbies, or family. It makes life more enjoyable while your money still grows quietly in the background. Have you felt that freedom yet with your finances? Another interesting thing is that once you have $100,000, you can start giving back. Charitable giving not only helps others, but can also benefit your taxes. Giving creates a positive cycle of gratitude and growth in your life. It also connects you to communities and causes you care about. How would it feel to help others while growing richer yourself? After reaching $100,000, many people start thinking about legacy. Legacy means planning how your wealth can help your family and future generations. You might set up trusts, write wills, or invest in education funds. These plans protect your hard-earned money and keep it working even after you're gone. Thinking long-term like this is another reason building wealth gets easier and more meaningful. One more point is that with $100,000, you get better credit opportunities. Good credit can lower your loan rates and open doors to exclusive cards or rewards programs. These benefits reduce your costs and add extra perks, which help grow your wealth. Managing credit well becomes a valuable financial skill after this milestone. Are you using credit smartly to help your money grow? To sum up, building wealth after $100,000 is easier because your money works harder. You get better tools, smarter networks, and more confidence. You also enjoy freedom, peace of mind, and can plan for the future. It's not magic, just smart choices and new opportunities unlocked by that milestone. If you're still growing your wealth, remember, this goal is powerful. Keep going because once you pass $100,000, your journey really takes off. Thanks for watching. If you're serious about building wealth, focus on reaching that $100,000 milestone. It's a game changer that opens many doors. In the next video, we'll talk about the best side hustles to help you get there faster. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for updates. See you soon with more simple money tips.